Did you know that some of the most powerful superfoods on Earth aren't exotic berries from distant rainforests, but tiny plants you can grow on your kitchen counter in just 7 days? I'm talking about microgreens, and what I'm about to share will completely change how you think about nutrition density. These miniature vegetables pack up to 40 times more nutrients than their full-grown counterparts, and today I'm revealing the top 5 most nutritious microgreens that could transform your health in ways you never imagined. Before we dive into this nutritional goldmine, here's something that'll blow your mind. Harvard researchers discovered that eating just 1 ounce of certain microgreens daily can provide more vitamin C than eating 3 whole oranges. That's the kind of concentrated nutrition we're dealing with here, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which microgreens deliver the biggest nutritional punch. Before we begin, make sure to stay to the end. We will offer you a special bonus offer of 5 great microgreen recipes. Let's start with number 5 on our countdown, and this one might surprise you because it's probably sitting in your spice rack right now. Cilantro microgreens are absolute nutritional powerhouses that deserve way more attention than they get. These tiny green leaves contain incredible levels of vitamin K, which are essential for bone health and blood clotting. But here's what makes cilantro microgreens truly special. They're loaded with natural compounds that help your body detoxify heavy metals like mercury and lead. Studies show that cilantro microgreens contain significantly higher concentrations of these detoxifying compounds compared to mature cilantro plants. They're also packed with folate, which is crucial for DNA synthesis and red blood cell formation. If you've been looking for a natural way to support your body's detox processes while getting a serious vitamin boost, cilantro microgreens should be your go-to choice. Moving to number 4, we have sunflower microgreens, and these little beauties are about to become your new obsession. What makes sunflower microgreens absolutely incredible is their protein content. These tiny shoots contain all the essential amino acids your body needs, making them a complete protein source that rivals many animal products. We're talking about microgreens that deliver more protein per calorie than most nuts and seeds. But the nutrition story doesn't stop there. Sunflower microgreens are absolutely loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage and supports immune function. They also contain impressive amounts of folate, vitamin C, and various B vitamins. The taste is mild and slightly nutty, making them perfect for adding to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies without overpowering other flavors. At number 3, prepare to meet the microgreen that nutritionists are calling nature's multivitamin. Red cabbage microgreens are visually stunning with their deep purple color, but their beauty goes far beyond appearance. These microgreens contain some of the highest levels of vitamin C you'll find in any food, delivering more immune-boosting power than citrus fruits in a much smaller package. The deep purple color comes from anthocyanins, the same powerful antioxidants found in blueberries and red wine. These compounds have been shown to support heart health, improve brain function, and fight inflammation throughout the body. Red cabbage microgreens also provide substantial amounts of vitamin A for eye health, vitamin K for bones, and various minerals that support overall wellness. The slightly spicy, cabbage-like flavor adds a delicious crunch to any dish. Coming in at number 2, we have pea shoots, and these microgreens are about to revolutionize your understanding of plant-based nutrition. Pea shoots are absolutely packed with vitamin A, containing levels that rival carrots and sweet potatoes. This vitamin A content supports eye health, immune function, and skin health in ways that most people never experience from their regular diet. What makes pea shoots truly exceptional is their combination of vitamins, minerals, and unique plant compounds. They contain significant amounts of vitamin C, folate, and fiber, plus they're loaded with chlorophyll, which supports detoxification and may help protect against certain diseases. The taste is sweet and fresh, similar to snap peas, making them incredibly versatile for both raw and cooked applications. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the number 1 most nutritious microgreen that's about to change everything you thought you knew about superfoods. Broccoli microgreens take the crown, and the science behind their nutritional supremacy is absolutely mind-blowing. These tiny green powerhouses contain up to 40 times more nutrients than mature broccoli heads, making them one of the most concentrated sources of nutrition on the planet. Here's what makes broccoli microgreens truly extraordinary. They're loaded with sulforaphane, a compound that research shows may help protect against cancer, support heart health, and boost brain function. The concentration of sulforaphane in broccoli microgreens is incredibly high compared to mature broccoli. They also contain massive amounts of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, plus they're packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and support overall health. The versatility of these nutritional champions is remarkable. You can add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on salads, mix them into soups, or simply eat them straight from the container. Their mild, slightly peppery flavor complements almost any dish without overwhelming other ingredients. Now here's the game-changing part that makes this information incredibly valuable for your health journey. These microgreens are incredibly easy to grow at home, meaning you can have access to this concentrated nutrition year-round without breaking the bank. A single packet of seeds can provide weeks of fresh, nutrient-dense microgreens for less than the cost of one organic salad from the grocery store. The research consistently shows that incorporating these top 5 microgreens into your daily routine can provide nutritional benefits that are difficult to achieve through conventional vegetables alone. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support detoxification, increase your protein intake, or simply add more nutrients to your diet, these microgreens offer solutions that are both practical and incredibly effective. Start with just one of these varieties and gradually incorporate others as you discover your preferences. Your body will thank you for this concentrated dose of nutrition. Now, as promised, click the link provided to receive the bonus of 5 great recipes using some of the microgreens we just listed.